The Cadco mobile serve food carts offer the opportunity to take advantage of an innovative concept called direct dining. Cadco carts are used in a variety of applications, such as various healthcare facilities, schools and universities, corporate catering, and much more. Offered are 2, 3, or 4 bay options, and each cart has accessories to make their daily use more efficient. The sneeze guard is an accessory and can be attached by the end user. Additionally, we offer 6 stock Wilson Art laminate options or stainless. Every cart automatically comes with 2.5-inch pans and pan holders unless 4-inch pan holders are specified in the cart model. And each pan frame is interchangeable and come off easily via thumb screws. Every bay is hot and has its own individual infinite control thermostat. If converting a warming bay to cold is desired, just simply turn off the heat and switch the pan frame to the 6-inch frame and add cold-fest pans. All pan frames are interchangeable. Next is the option for even more work surface or serving area. Add a flip-up shelf on the side for 22 inches of extra width, or add 2 flip-up shelves. Interested in a tray slide on the front of your cart? Add this option for easier serving. For added safety, use our safety shield, which can be attached by the end user to help shield customers from the heated area. Watch for our virtual Build-A-Cart coming soon, and visit our website cadco-ltd.com for all up-to-date information on our specialty cart lines. Cadco, America's leader in specialty carts.